two together, they finally reached a gold phase. 2 years in, she's crying with her hands on her face. It won't get better, you gotta find your own pace. It's not a race, but he sure makes it feel like it is. Man and telly, I staring at the door, acting all lazy. But got their sneakers on, backpacked and ready. I staring down the block, been getting hazy, yeah, breath's getting heavy. That neighbor screaming, balconies are piling up, non-stop screaming. One's about to call the cops. Your second floor is getting loud, you're making all the crowd come out. Sounds like it's getting rough. You could think it's not hot enough. The girl's about to walk off, the boy is going loco. She really should have stepped out before he's gotten back home. Don't need to hear his drama, it doesn't show your worth, girl. No room is left in trying, just gonna make it worse. Step out, it's your time, babe. It's gonna grow up if you stay. You'll never ever let go, it's never gonna go away. It's time to squeeze him out your veins and come and pick up all your things. Next time when you look back, gonna know for sure it was a good thing. Together, they finally reached a gold phase. 2 years in, she's crying with her hands on her face. It won't get better, you gotta find your own pace. It's not a race, but he sure makes it feel like it is. Cool. Cool.